Welcome back, everybody. Hope everybody's had a great weekend. Today, as promised, we have the battle bike construction set for the Green Ranger we're going to be working on. Like I said, I picked this one up the other day. Actually got all of them to complete the set. Do a little view on the box here. Give you an idea what we got going on. Like I said, I really like this stuff. I mean, what kid doesn't like Legos? The original battle bikes that they had, or Shark Cycles and stuff like that, those were all cool too. So kind of getting these like new updated miniature versions that are pretty awesome, just to be honest. So let's get this baby opened up. Already busted the tape loose here. And I did manage to get a new camera set up. I've got some new tripods, some new lighting, all kinds of good stuff. Let's see. Start off with the sticker set. Basically the same as the blue one we did and the red one. Not much difference, just a little bit here and there. Let's see. And then we've got the instructions. I think I may have a little less of a hard time with these because I believe I can see the green just a little bit better than on the blue set. And then we've got the, how many is it? 50 pieces. So let's get all these broke open. We'll get to putting this guy together. Awesome. And here we have it. We got the Battle Bike and the Green Ranger, complete with decals. If you noticed, as far as the time lapse we did for the labels on it, rather than use a knife like I usually do, it's one of these eyeglass screwdrivers. Helps you position the labels a little easier, and these are kind of small, a little hard to get off the package. Overall, I mean, $5, they're a good little kit. I had my usual kick with these. Biggest flaw I have to them is like this right here. This piece, you can breathe on it, and it comes off. They don't click together real well. Other than that, and the fact that they don't give you any instructions as far as where the labels go, I guess after the third one, I should be an expert by now. Basically, you have the box makes a pretty good diagram. You can kind of see the majority of it. Some of the smaller ones on this side, you kind of have to look up close, but nothing major. Other than that, and I did notice on this one, I don't know if you can see that, there's like a stress mark on the plastic for the Green Ranger. But other than that, no large deal. It's a nice, cheap little kit. Get all of them together and put them together as a set. They'll look great. Like I said, I love all the decals for them. It really makes the bikes pop. And I even noticed that was something that I hadn't really paid attention to, but was the diamonds on the cuffs for the Green Ranger. That was really nice. I mean, just little details that it really makes these kits, they pop. Like I said, they've got a lot of detail, and when you put all of the decals on them, it just shines. All right. Well, guys, if you like the video, I encourage you to subscribe. Give us some likes on this video.